क्या है? दिमाग खराब।
अपने नए और पुराने वीडियोस पर
हाँ जैसे। And now we are going to create variable which called a model. Here I am going to access message chat grok, chat grok, chat grok. Okay. Mm, here I am going to pass model equals to. Okay, so here I am using gamma. I am using gamma 2. Okay, gamma 2 with 9 billion parameter. Okay, and after this I am going to apply here grok API. No, this one. Grok API equals to grok API key. Okay, and here in third cell I am going to import from LangChain community. Sorry, from LangChain core. Okay, dot message from LangChain core dot message import human message. Here model dot invoke. Here model dot invoke. In bracket I'm going to write human message. Okay, so here now I'm passing the content inside the message. Content equals to hi, comma, my my name is Nidhi. Okay, my name is Nidhi and I am an engineer. Okay, so this is my human message. Now I am going to close all the brackets, so I have already closed. Okay, so hello, hello, it responds AI message content, and this is a human message, and this will provided by AI. That's why this is a AI message. And hi Nidhi, it's nice to meet you. That's awesome that you are an engineer. What kind of engineer do you specialize in? Okay, so I am going to write here I am an AI engineer. Oh Nidhi, that's nice. That's awesome that you are an AI engineer. It's really exciting field right now. What kind of AI work do you do? Okay, so are you working on? बढ़िया पंकज. So here my name is awesome that you are an engineer. It's a really exciting field right now. Okay, so this is the message provided by AI and this is the message provided by human. Okay, and after this I am going to write I am going to import from LangChain core dot message here I am going to import AI message, not human message. So here I replace human with AI message. Okay, and in lower and here in next line I am going to write model dot invoke in bracket here human message. I am going to provide human message here, and inside this provide content is in bracket. What is the content? Okay, so hi, my name is Nidhi and I am an engineer, AI engineer. Okay, so after this I am going to provide here AI message content. AI message this one. AI message inside it content equals to hello Nidhi, it's nice to meet you. Mm. And here this is for another line /n as a Nidhi AI engineer comma by what kind of project are you working on these days? Question marks and here /n capital M capital I, sorry, not M. I am always eager to learn. Eager to learn more about the exciting fade. Okay, being done in this field of AI. Slash n. Okay, so here this is the comma. Here I also put comma. Now again I am giving here human message and content. So here I need to copy and paste it. Paste it here. Here, hey, what's? Uh, I'm asking the question from AI. Hey, hey, what's my name? Hey, what's my name? My name. Hey, what's my name? And what field? What? What's my hey? What's my name? And what do I do? What do I do? Question mark here. Okay. Now I need to close bracket. Okay. Now I am going to run this. Okay, so content AI said that you are a Nidhi and you are an AI engineer. There is anything else would you like to tell about yourself or your birth? Okay, so this is the answer provided by AI. Okay, so this is the AI message, and after that I am using message. Okay, like from message history, so by storing all the previous messages in the session, chatbot content and maintain contacts across multiple times. So here um, here I am going to write from langchain underscore community. So here this is the human message and this is the AI message. Okay, Hello, it's nice to meet you, Nidhi, as an AI engineer. So, hey, what? So here, hmm, these are the messages: human message, AI message, and human message again. Okay. So here I'm going to ask, hey, what's my name and what do I do? Okay. So it said that, hey, you are a Nidhi, an AI engineer. Okay. So I want to rerun this again. Okay. Okay. So we got AI response here, and after that we are going to create message history. Okay, so we can use message history class to wrap our model and make it stateful. This will keep track of input and output of the model and store them in a some data store. Okay, so it will store your input and output for future interaction in a database. Okay, and then load those messages and pass them into the chain as a part of the input. Okay, so we can see how to use this. Okay, so here I'm going to install pip install langchain community. Okay, and after that here I'm going to write code from langchain community dot chat underscore message. Here this one. Okay, history is import chat message history from langchain core from langchain core dot chat history underscore history. Okay, import base chat message history. Okay, and after that I am going to import langchain langchain core oh, from langchain core dot runnable. Okay, runnable dot history. I'm going to import runnable with message history. Okay, after this, okay, I need to create here store equals to empty dictionary, that we can store messages or session IDs. Okay, so I'm going to define get underscore session underscore history underscore history. Get session underscore history. Here in bracket session ID session underscore ID. Here in colon str. Here base chat model base chat message history. Okay, oh what okay, here this one. is the function. So for session ID should be in string, and here this chat message history, colon, here if store underscore ID not in store, if not store ID, not it is session ID. Not in store. क्या है? If session ID not in store, if session ID not in store, here column. Okay, so here we are going to check. We have a session ID for store. Okay, so here this is the function, and we store equals to empty dictionary. Okay, so here this is the function, this is the session ID, so it will be in string, and this is the base chat history. Okay, base chat message history. If session ID not in store, okay, in this store. Okay, so here store in bracket session ID. Okay, session ID equals to chat message history. Okay, chat message history. And now I am going to return if return store in bracket session ID. Now okay, so if you have a session ID in this store, if not you have a session ID in this store, then session ID will store in a store with the chat message history. Okay, and return store session ID. And after this, with message history, MESSAGE message with message history equals to this one, runnable with message history. Here I am going to pass model comma get this function. Okay, get session history. Okay, now I'm gonna run this. going to write config equals to in bracket configuration configurable configurable colon and in brackets session underscore id. Session id colon and chat one. This is the session id that is called a chat one. Okay, so this is the config. We are going to use session id of the store, okay, for message. So here response equals to with message history dot invoke message history with message history dot invoke in brackets. I'm going to write human message. So here human message. Here I'm going to provide content in round bracket content equals to hi my name is Nidhi and I am an AI engineer. Okay, this one. Hey, my name is Nidhi and my name is Nidhi and I am an engineer. Okay, and here I am going to pass comma config equals to config. Here I am an AI engineer bracket and config equals to config. Here config equals to config. Okay, so I have closed this bracket, this one. I think I have extra bracket. Okay, so now I'm going to run syntax error. Perhaps you forget a comma. Hi, my name is Nidhi and I am an AI invalid syntax. Okay. So here I forget to put comma. Okay, name with name is with message is not defined. Okay, I need to rerun this. Okay, now now response dot content. Now response dot content. Okay, hello Nidhi, nice to meet you. As an AI engineer, don't have personal experience like being an AI engineer, but I am always eager to learn. Okay, so this is the response. Okay, what with message history dot invoke. Okay, here I am going to pass content. Content equals to what is my name, what is my name. Okay, with message history, what is my name. Now I can close brackets. Okay, I forget to write here. This is inside the human message. Okay, so here I need to write human message. Okay, human message, and inside it content. What is my name? Okay, and here I am going to close this one. Content, human message content. This is by square bracket, and here I need to put comma, and here config equals to config. Now close the bracket. Okay, so here okay, so by using session ID, it will provide AI message like your name is Nidhi, and remember from our earlier conversation, is there anything else I can help you with? Okay, so this is the response by using session ID. Okay, and after this, now I am going to change the config and session ID here. Now config1 equals to configurable session ID and chat2. This one I need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, config1 configurable session ID and chat2, chat number 2 not 1. Okay, so I am going to change chat in session ID and config. Okay, so here response equals to with message history dot invoke. Okay, here in bracket I'm going to write human message. Okay, human message equals to inside this content, and I am going to write what is my name. Okay, I am asking what is my name. So here Okay, I already misspelled this, but AI can understand. Okay, so what is my name? What is my name? Okay, here I put comma, and here config equals to config1. Okay, now I ask for response. So response dot content. So hey, I have no memory of past conversation. Okay, and do not know your name. I would like tell you so you if you would like to tell me, I am happy to use it. Okay, so I mean this I mean now it don't I mean it doesn't have any information about you. So I mean it has no memory of your past conversation. So okay, that's why it provides as AI as an AI. I have no memory of past conversation. Okay, so because we created new session ID. Okay, so here now again I'm going to write response equals to with message history dot inbox in bracket human message inside this content equals to hey, my name is Nidhi. Okay, so I'm saying hey, hello, hello, my name is Nidhi. Now uh, now config1. Close bracket. Okay, so I already close bracket. Now I need to run this and ask this response dot content. Okay, hello, it's nice to meet you. What can I do for you today? Okay, now again I'm going to create response equals to with message history dot invoke in bracket. I am going to write human message content equals to oh sorry content score what's my name. Okay, so here content is equals to what is my name. I need to put comma, and here config equals to config1. Okay, I need to run this now. I can ask this question response dot content. Okay, so where is it? Okay, so here you can see hello, my name is Nidhi. Oh no, what is my name? Okay, with config equals to config1. So it provides response dot content. Okay, so your name is Nidhi, and I remember that you told me. Okay, so this is the different code. Okay. हाँ, बात नहीं करता हूँ, दूसरा देखो आदमी की, क्या बोलते हैं जस्सी? लाइक कर दो ना जस्सी, वीडियो लाइक कर दो प्लीज। Okay, so now we move on prompt template. Okay, so prompt template help to turn raw user information into a format that the LLM can work with. Okay, in this case, the raw user input is just a message which are passing to the LLM. Let's now make that a bit more complicated. First, let add a system message with some custom instruction. What is still taking message as input. Next, we will add is more input beside just a message. Okay, so here from LangChain core dot prompt import chat prompt template and message placeholder. Okay, so here prompt equals to chat prompt template dot from message. Okay, and here inside this system equals to you are we are going to prompt for system. Okay, so you are a helpful assistant and answer all the question to the next of your ability, and message placeholder variable name equals to message. Okay, so here I am going to add chain equals to prompt and model. So we are going to concatenate these, I mean adding these together, prompt pipe operator and model. So here I am going to run this, and after this I am going to create chain dot invoke whatever, here brackets, and here I am going to write message message colon inside this human message. Okay, inside this human message, and here I am going to pass content equals to in what, hi my name is Nidhi. Okay, so here I am going to provide hi my name is Nidhi. Hi, and my name is Nidhi, and close all the bracket, round after round. Mm. Content, close content. Okay, after content from message. Okay, I think okay. So hi Nidhi, it's nice to meet you. What can I help you today? I ready for your question. Okay, so here uh, after this I'm going to apply message history. So with message history equals to runnable with message history, here I am going to pass chain comma get session history. Okay, and here after closing bracket, here I'm going to write config equals to configurable 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 configurable. Here I need to put semicolon. Here in bracket session session ID underscore ID session ID and colon I'm giving what, chat 3. Okay, chat 3 is our session ID. Close these two bracket, already closed, and here response equals to with message history dot invoke and brackets. Here I need to write human message, and here I am going to pass content equals to hi, my name is Nidhi. I am going to pass this. Okay. Hi, my name is Nidhi. Hi, my name is Nidhi, and after this I need to human human message content closing vector, sorry, closing bracket, not a vector. So here I need to put a string. Okay, so here this is the session ID and response equals to with message history dot invoke. Okay, so here I'm going to provide human message equals to content. Hey, my name is Nidhi and config equals to config. Okay, so I'm going to use this config and new session ID. Session ID equals to chat3. Okay, so here with message history enable with message history. Okay, so it will inside this we provide chain and get session history. Okay, so that we get a history of the session by using session ID. And after this I need to I need to write here response. Okay, hi Nidhi, it's nice to meet you. Ready to answer your question to best of my ability. Okay, just ask away. So this is the response. And now I am going to create response equals to with underscore message history dot invoke human message equals to content equals to what is my name. Okay, what is my name, what is my name. Now mm-mm, now okay, I got error missing key session ID inconfigurable. Okay, okay, so response equals to with message history invoke and bracket square bracket human message content equals to what is my name, name, and here respond dot content, here comma and provide config equals to config. Okay, here config equals to config. Now here I'm going to write response dot content. So here your name is Nidhi and you told me at the beginning. Okay, so this will remember the things and this will generate the uh, this kind of response. Okay, if you ask again. So here we are going to add more complexity. So here you can see prompt equals to chat prompt template from message. Here system, this is for system. Here we are going to write a system prompt, so that this is the so that's why we use system equals system. We will tell a system something like something useful. I am going to create prompt for system. So we are going to say here for system you are a helpful assistant, answer all the questions to the best of your ability in language. Okay, so we are going to add language and input like Hindi, French, English, Sanskrit, whatever. So message placeholder, here variable equals to message, and here this is closing bracket, and here we are going to create change and equals to prompt and model. So that's why this will combine both things here, prompt and model, by using pipe operator. This is the chain. Okay, and after this mm, adding more complexity, response chain. Here response equals to chain dot invoke. Message message colon human message in bracket content equals to I'm saying hi, my name is Nidhi. So here I'm going to copy it inside the content. Hi, my name is Nidhi. I'm closing the brackets and here I'm going to add language. Language. Okay, so it should be in strings. I need to provide colon and here about in which language Hindi. Okay, now I need to run this. I got chat from template is missing variable message. Okay, so here you can see response equals to chain dot invoke and bracket message here colon human message equals to content. Hey, my name is Nidhi. Nidhi bracket close and language equals to Hindi. Here response dot content. But what is the error? Response dot equals to chain dot invoke message human. Okay, let me check what's going on here. I think it's S here. Messages. Oh, So here, okay, to uh, I need to write a small m here. Okay, okay, because of capital M, this will give. If you put capital M here, then it will generate error. Okay, so here message placeholder in variable M equals to message. So we need to keep this variable here. Okay, so mess chain dot invoke messages. Okay, so hi Nidhi, nice to meet you. I'm happy to help you with any question you have. What can I do for you today? Okay, so this is the response, and here let's now wrap this more complicated chain in message history class. This time, because there are multiple keys in the input, we need to specify the correct key to use to save the chat history. Okay, so here I'm going to write with message history equals to runnable with history. Runnable with history here brackets in brackets chain chain comma get session history this one. Okay, this is the function name get session history. Okay, and after this get session history I'm going to input message key equals to what message. Okay, so with message history runnable with message history. Okay, so here I'm going to pass chain get session history. This is the function name, this is the input message key message. Okay, so here I'm going to run this. Now I move in the next cell. Okay, so here I need to create config. Okay, so config equals to in bracket. Here I need to create configurable put column, and here inside this session underscore id. Here I am going to create session id that is set 4. Okay, because we already create 1 2 3. Now close. Now response equals to with message history dot invoke. And here I'm going to write here what in bracket, sorry, in insisting messages colon, here human message. Okay, and human message inside this I need to create content equals to hi I am Nidhi. Hi, I am Nidhi. Okay, so message human message content Hi, I am Nidhi. Here I need to put comma and provide here language. So language equals to no, I need to close it here. So here language equals to Hindi. After this I need to close and put comma here, and here I am going to provide config equals to config. Okay. Okay, now I need to I want to ask response. Okay, so response dot content. Okay. Hi Nidhi, what is it not giving in Hindi? Language equals to Hindi. What is the problem? Hi Nidhi, what can I do for you today? I am ready to answer you. I need to. Mm-mm. I need to change language Hindi. Hi Nidhi, nice to meet you. How can I help you today? Okay. I think I need to, I'm going to rerun it again. So it will generate answer in Hindi. Okay, I forgot it. Okay, so here and this I'm going to rerun again this one and now this one. Okay, so this provided in English, what is provided in Hindi. so here I got response in Hindi. I don't know how do I get. I have same lines. I rerun again and I got same answer. Answer in Hindi. Okay. So here response equals to response. नमस्ते निधि, आपकी मुलाकात अच्छी लगी, क्या मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ? Okay, so I got this now. Here from this here we can create, we had create with message history. Okay, here we pass Jan get message history and input message key. Okay, so which is a message, and this one from message placeholder. Okay, message, and here this one, and now config equals to configure as a session ID chat 4. Okay, so response equals to with message history. Okay, this one, and dot invoke message this one variable of human content. Hi, I am Nidhi, and language equals to Nidhi, and config equals to config. Okay, now what? Now response equals to with message history dot invoke in bracket here here message equals to message equals to human message. This one, I have to copy this line from human, and here I need to paste it. I'm going to change this. Okay, so response equals to with message history dot invoke, and here dot invoke. Okay, message and message human message. I'm going to use human message, and content of it, content inside it. What is my name? Okay, and here close the brackets, and here language equals to Hindi. Okay, so I'm going to use Hindi language. Now config equals to config, and here I need to close this. Okay, I need to run this. Now again I am asking response dot content, what we get here, आपका नाम निधि है. Okay, so I got it. Now I am going to move managing the conversation history. One important concept to understanding when building the chatbot is how to manage the conversation history. If left unmanaged, the list of messages will grow unbounded and potentially overflow the context window of the LLM. So therefore, it is important to add a stage that limit the size of the message you are passing in. Okay, so trim the message help to reduce how many messages we are sending to the model. Okay, and here the trimmer allow us to specify how many tokens we want to give along with the other parameter, like if we want to always give the system message and whether to allow partial message. Okay, so here okay, here I am going to write different message. Okay, so here from lengthen dot message import system message and trim message. Okay, so trimmer equals to trim message, maximum token 45, strategy last, maximum counter equals to token counter equals to model, include system equals to true, allow partial equals to false, start on human. Okay, so here message we are going to pass message here. So message equals to system message. Okay, so this message for system, you are a good assistant. This is the human message. Content equals to hi, I am Bob. AI message hi. Human message hi, content I like vanilla ice cream. Okay, here AI message hi, and again human message what 2 plus 2, and AI message 4, and human message thanks. AI message no problem. Human message having fun. AI message yes. Okay, so trimmer dot invoke message. So here I am going to run this and get response from this. Okay, so after this from operator import item getter. Okay, and here from legend core runnable import runnable pass through. Okay, so here chain equals to we are going to create chain of runnable pass through assign dot assign message item getter and message here here this chain by trimmer prompt model. Okay, and response equals to chain dot invoke, and here I am going to pass message plus human message, and here content what ice cream do I like. So language equals to Hindi, response dot content. Okay, so as assistant I don't have access to your personal information, like your favorite ice cream and flavors. Okay, so okay, before this I mean we can see this here. System message, these are the system message. Content, you are a good assistant. Okay, and here I like ice cream. Okay, and message content nice, what is the 242 equals to 4. Okay, so this is the response of this. Now I am going to rerun this again. So as of now let's say I don't have access to your personal information, so I am saying okay, so here this is the chain and this is the response dot chain invoke. So message, this is the message human message, and this is the content. Okay, language in English and response dot content. So we got this in response. Okay, so here response equals to chain dot invoke, here message in message plus human message, content equals to what math problem did I ask, language English and response dot content here. So it will set 2 plus 2. Okay, so you ask 2 plus 2. Okay, so here we ask for 2 plus 2, this one. So that's why it will give answer like this. Okay, so here let's grab this the English message history. So here every message with message history enable chain get session import message key message configuration session ID 5. Okay, so here we have different session ID, and response equals to message history dot invoke with message history, message equals to this one, what is my name, and language equals to English, config equals to config, response dot content. So as I don't have a past conversation of any personal information about you, include your name. So would like to tell your name. Okay, so and here we can see response equals to with message history invoke, message equals to this one, and language equals to this one, and this is the config, and this is the response dot content. Okay, so our large language model, I have no memory, so I need to return this again. can see what's going on here. Okay, so this will provide this answer. Uh, uh, uh. डैंड्रफ नहीं उठ रहा यार, क्या करूं इसका। किसी का मैसेज नहीं दिख रहा मुझे, पता नहीं क्या हो गया, मैसेज नहीं आ रहा है। कोई मैसेज कर रहा है क्या? सबसे लास्ट मैसेज माजिद खान का आ रहा है। कॉल लेट्स सी, देखती हूँ मैं। भाई किसी का मैसेज ही नहीं आ रहा है, क्या करूँ। बेबी तुम कैसी हो, इसका कोई मैसेज ही नहीं आ रहा। राजू भाई का मैसेज था। और राजू भाई मैं अच्छी हूँ, तुम कैसे हो। नितिन, हाँ नितिन, आपको मेरी ओर से नवरात्रि की थैंक यू दिलीप। हाय राधा कृष्ण अंकल, कैसे हो। किसी का मैसेज ही नहीं आ रहा था। हाय कैलाश। तुझे सुन तुझे सुना है, नींद नहीं आती, रात भर जागती रहती। हाँ राजू भाई, रात भर जागती रहती हूँ। क्या हो रहा है राजू भाई, कहाँ रहते हो तुम राजू भाई, कहाँ से हो। बोलो, बोल कहाँ है इनका, मैं बोलो भैया। बीवी क्या खाती है? मैं चने खा रही थी, आप खा लो चने। क्या हुआ? सांस में तेरी सांस मिली तो मुझे सांस आई। काहे नहीं हो रहा यार उसके क्लिक? मतलब हद है। ए, ये करके दिखा, ये करके दिखा।
Your victory strategy to air scarcity and commit